Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chittagong Engineering University School and College Online Classroom. I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Engineering University School and College, Chuet, Raujan, Chattogram. Dear students of Class 4, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here with your Chapter 10, The Geography of Asia. There is a map on Asia, a map of Asia. You know about the map. It is in your book also. It is the largest continent in the world. It covers almost a third of the Earth's surface. That means the most area are in Asia. There are 7 continents in the world. You know, the largest one is Asia. So, the climate of Asia varies across it because of its vast size. And you know, most of the plain land in Asia and fertile also. That's why most of the people live in Asia. About 60% of world's population live in Asia. And you know, it lies in the northern hemisphere. There are 48 countries in Asia, and some are named on India, China, Russia, Malaysia, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, and so on. And the biggest river, Yangtze, you know, you have learned it in that lesson. The climate of Asia I will describe later on the CV. Okay, let's have a look on CV number A. What is the largest continent in the world? Where does it lie in? Write 4 sentences about Asia. So, let's have a look on the answers. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. 4 sentences about Asia are: Asia covers almost 1/3 of the Earth's surface. About 60% population live in Asia. There are 48 countries in Asia. The climate varies across Asia because of its vast size. So, dear students, there are 4 sentences about Asia, which is in your book also. I have clearly shown here. I hope you will learn it attentively. CV2, B number. Why does the climate vary across Asia? Which ocean lies to the south of Asia? Write 4 sentences about the climate of Asia. Now, let's have a look on the answer. The climate varies across Asia because of its vast size. Vast size means large size, biggest size. The Indian Ocean is to the south of Asia. 5 sentences about the climate of Asia are: the hottest part is the desert in the center of Asia. The coldest part is Siberia, where it rains heavily in winter. The driest parts have rain in winter but none in summer. The wettest parts have high rainfall and high temperature all the year. I hope you will learn it thoroughly and carefully. Number C, Describe the resources of Asia in 6 sentences. 6 sentences about the resources of Asia are: the main grain crops of Asia are rice, wheat, corn, coconut, spices, etc. The main cash crops of Asia are jute, tree, rubber, cotton, coffee, sugarcane, etc. 3. Asia has enormous reserves of minerals such as coal, mineral oil, and natural gas, and other resources also here. For Asia is quite developed in industry. There are many industrial plants in Japan, China, South Korea, Malaysia, India, and Thailand. Iron and steel, cotton, paper, jute are the major industries of Asia. Dear students, I have summarized here the resources of Asia from your book. So, if you learn these lines, then you can write it clearly. I hope you will learn the CV carefully and attentively, and you will write it on your copy also. That's all for today. Thank you all. Hope you will be safe and sound at home.